Today we're going to be going over how to do a lunge.
Alright, and this is the walking lunge. Taking a look at the knee, it should be at a 90-degree angle after each lunge and vertically aligned with the ankle. As far as the posture goes, the chest should be upright with the shoulders rolled back and eyes looking forward. Taking a look at the feet, you should focus on keeping the front foot flat on the ground while driving force through the heel with each step. So let's try not to do this. Extending the knee over the toe can lead to knee pain as well as injury to the patella tendon. And lifting the heel off the ground can cause ankle instability and injury. And here's a quick variation that can be used for overall leg development when working in a small, limited space.
Alright fam, and that's how we properly do a lunge. Until next time.